Given 3k to the power k equals 3 to the power k plus 10. Solve for k. We have our solution. We have been given 3k to the power k equals 3 to the power k plus 10. This can be written as 3k to the power k equals 3k multiplied by 3 to the power 10. That is as a result of a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, which is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So from this, you are writing 3 to the power k multiplied by 3 to the power 10. From here, we can divide both sides by 3 to the power k. We are doing this so that the variable moves to one side of the equation. So we divide here by 3 to the power k, here by 3 to the power k. Now this 3 to the power k takes care of this, leaving 3 to the power, 3k to the power k all over 3 to the power k equals 3 to the power 10. From this, we are now moving further. There is a coefficient of k here, which is 3. 3k has a coefficient of 3. Now we can divide both sides by 3 so that we can take care of the 3 over here. So dividing both sides by 3, this is going to give us 3k to the power k all over 3 multiplied by 3 to the power k equals 3 to the power 10 all over 3. Now, the division has become multiplication. This as a result of, if I have 3k to the power k all over 3 to the power k, we said we are dividing it by 3, which is the same as divided by 3. It now becomes 3k to the power k all over 3 to the power k times 1 over 3. That is why we are seeing this multiplying over here. This 3, we take care of the 3 here. Now, I have k to the power k all over 3 to the power k is equal to 3 to the power 10 all over 3. Now, bear in mind that this 3 has a power of 1. And from the laws of indices, a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. From this, you can now write this as k over 3 all to the power k. We are also writing this as a result of a over b all raised to the power m can be written as a raised to the power m over b raised to the power m. So since they all have the same exponent, you can give it a bracket, single one. So now if I have this, it can also be written as this. So we are having k over 3 all to the power k. This is equal to 3 to the power 10 minus 1. This has a power of 1. So when they are dividing, we subtract the exponent. From here, I have k over 3 all to the power k is equal to 3 to the power 9. Now 3 to the power 9, this is what we are having. From here, we are moving further to write k over 3 all to the power k. Now 3 is the same as writing 9 over 3 to give us 3. So we are changing from a base 3 to a base 9 over 3. So this is going to give us 9 over 3 all to the power 9. Take note that 9 over 3 is the same as 3. From here, I have k over 3 to the power k, 9 over 3 to the power 9. Let's compare our left-hand side with the right-hand side. Now, if you are comparing the exponent, you can say that k is equal to 9. If we are comparing the bases, I have k over 3 is equal to 9 over 3. Now, solving for k in this equation, this is going to give us 3k is equal to 27 over 3 over 3. Then our k is equal to 9. Thanks for following. See you another day.